How to unsuspend your account from Twitter. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how you can unsuspend your account on Twitter that you deactivated. Now you want to activate it again. Now it's really easy to do. What you have to do is simply open up your Twitter, go to twitter.com. So of course you will not get here. Your account is deactivated. You deactivated a few days ago, or maybe you were just, maybe a few months ago, and now you want to activate it again. So you will go to just /login on your mobile phone or your PC. So this is where you will get. Now we can sign in with our Google, and then we have this option which is phone, email, or username. So what you have to do is you will enter your recent email, username, or phone number that you added to Twitter when you were suspended or when you deactivated. So you will enter that email or username, then you will click on next, and it will take you to the password, and then you have to enter your password, the password that you had. And you will be able to log into your Twitter account again, because we can activate our account again if we just sign into it. So you can just sign in and hopefully it will be activated again, and you will be able to access all of the data that you had. If you're having problem with logging in, then you can go ahead and click this option, which is going to be forgot password. And then you will receive an email on your email address, and you will be guided, and you can change your password, and then you can log into your account. So this is how we simply activate our account or unsuspend our account on Twitter. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.